In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete drafts on Reddit. If you've ever started writing a post or a comment on Reddit and decided not to finish it, Reddit usually saves that work as a draft. Over time, these drafts can pile up and make things feel cluttered, especially if you know you're never going to use them. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you, step by step, how to find those drafts and permanently delete them. First, open the Reddit app or website and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. This is usually a small avatar or your profile picture. Go ahead and tap or click on that icon. This opens up a menu where you can access different parts of your account. From that menu, you'll see an option labeled Drafts. This is where Reddit stores all the posts and comments you started but never actually shared. Click on Drafts to open that section. It may take a moment to load if you have a lot of saved drafts, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Once your drafts are visible, you'll see a list of everything you've saved. Each draft represents a post or comment you began at some point. Take a moment to quickly scan through and make sure you actually want to remove them, because deleting a draft is permanent and you won't be able to get it back afterward. To delete a specific draft, look for the three dots next to that draft. These dots usually appear on the right side of the screen beside each individual entry. Click or tap on the three dots to open a small options menu for that particular draft. In that menu, you'll see an option labeled Delete. Go ahead and click on Delete. Reddit may ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this draft. If a confirmation message appears, simply confirm your choice. Once you do, that draft will disappear from your list and is permanently removed from your account. Repeat this process for any other drafts you want to clear out. Open the three-dot menu for each one, choose Delete and confirm. When you're done, your drafts section will be much cleaner, and only the drafts you actually want to keep will remain.